I built my own Jarvis AI research assistant. So every morning I used to wake up and feel left behind. Like the AI world have moved away while I was asleep. Twitter, Reddit, and websites where real leaks shows up first. See, I don't mind learning new things, but every day 2 hours was wasted by me just by scrolling, transcribing, bookmarking, and researching myself. And then it hit me. If AI is moving and progressing this fast, why I am still researching like it's 2015? So I tried something and built my own Jarvis style AI research assistant, which is fully automated, fully free, with zero coding knowledge. And in this video, I'll show you how exactly I've built this. So firstly, open up the Claude. You tell what you want and it will build you the logic. Well, in this case, I have given the logic, but yeah, it works. So write this step by step. Build a fully free automation that keeps me updated in what's happening in the AI and video generation world globally. Now Claude will think for a few seconds, so it runs the entire automation code on the side. You don't need to understand the code, you don't need to touch it or change it. Just copy everything. It literally gives you the full working script, fully explained, ready to go. Now paste the code in Python or VS Code. Now I have used VS Code because I already have it, but Python works too. Claude will tell you everything, like where you have to paste the code, which libraries you need, and how to install it. Just follow the exact same steps Claude is giving. It's basically coding on autopilot. Add your email and app password, which is very important. So at the beginning of the code, there will be lines where you have to add your email ID and app password. This is because the automation will email you the updates. You can also use phone number to get it on your WhatsApp and SMS. I know it sounds crazy, but app passwords and mobile numbers are safe. You don't need to worry about that. Now here we have two options again. Either we can run it locally on our PC, laptop or whatever, or we can use cloud. Now to run this locally, you must need to keep your PC on 24/7 to run it daily, which is not ideal, I'm assuming. And the second option is cloud, which is more ideal, I thought. What I choose for this cloud automation is Python Anywhere, because once you have uploaded your script over there, it runs automatically every day without fail, even when you are sleeping or your PC is off. Now, I customized the code to my workflow because at first it spammed me every hour. Like my inbox got flooded. Not the good idea. So I asked the Claude to tweak it. Send me updates 4 times a day and highlight only the important things which I have told you earlier. I also made few more personal tweaks where how I wanted the information and how categorized it should be. And then I re-uploaded the script to Python Anywhere. This is your personal way of customizing it and now it's perfect. It summarizes, it filter noise, it never sleeps and works fully on autopilot. Isn't that cool? We just made a complete Jarvis by ourselves. Now, if you are watching this video on YouTube, code is in the description. And if you are watching it on Instagram, comment code and I'll DM you the code. So you can run it, test it or also customize according to your way. If you found this video helpful, share it with your coder friend or that person who says AI is too complicated, because it's not anymore. Until then, keep it awesome.